Hi everyone, this is Yola from Trinidad, West Indies. Today I'd like to speak about gratitude, the power of gratitude. Now, many times we receive things and we say thanks, but do we really have that feeling of gratitude? Are we really grateful? Do we have a sense of appreciation for that person or that event or the help that we received? When we become open to things that we receive in our life, when we show that gratitude, like for the small things in our life, many times opportunities open for us, doors open that we didn't know were there, and and we receive so much more. There's something that says the vibration of gratitude attracts more positive things in your life. So today, I'd just like to leave us with just one thought. Be grateful for whatever it is, even if it's a small portion, be grateful for it, and you will see that you will be blessed with more. A few days ago, I started my gratitude list. Every day I will write the things I'm grateful for. I know I wouldn't really count how many. I'll just write until I decide, okay, for now, that is it. And I have found that things are opening up, doors are opening up that I wouldn't have thought would have opened. And so that is just to show, be grateful for what it is you get or what it is you have, and you will have more to be grateful for. So again, have a great day. Bye for now.